I mean, it's alright. Hi! Hi! It's been a long time. We're back. Last time जब हमने बनाई थी video, it was Memorial Day or Labor Day.
Labor Day.
It was Labor Day, right? Yeah. So we are back today with another molding kit. So last time we tried it and we failed like miserably. Like we failed it really bad. So if you haven't watched that video, you can watch it right here. And once you watch it, you can come back to this. I mean, we failed it really bad. So this time we are more careful. We will be more, I would say, we'll counter time because we didn't counter time last time. So we'll make sure we are right on the time before we put our hand in the mold. So basically we have the mold right there, the cement thing. That's the stone or cement. So we'll just mix this mold in this, put our hand in there, and then you'll see the magic. So if we don't succeed this time, we'll just go where?
Hollywood.
Hollywood and have it done. How much they charge you?
I think $20.
They only charge you 20. Yeah, someone, like one of our friends told us they only charge you $20. And this, only by this is $20. So I don't know, we should have just gone there. But we like to do things by ourselves.
DIY.
DIYs, we love it. Even if we fail it, we love it. You know, it's a memory. So we'll show you. Let's Alright, well, I think we kind of got it, but I still feel like it's not perfect because we had a lot of air bubbles in our mold and we have chunks of mold which didn't mix.
Oh, so, this is from bottom, but like
yeah.
this, it just, you know.
Yeah, but let me show you. So that's, I don't know, I just feel like it's not gonna be perfect, but we'll still try though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so the cement is in there in the mold. So now we have to wait at least 4 to 5 hours. So we have to go somewhere. We'll go there, we'll come back, and then we'll show you guys if it worked or we failed again. Alright, bye.
We're just like carving out the
mold
out of, like, you know, little crevices to make it look even more perfect. So this is gonna take us a while, isliye well, that's why we're gonna finish it up and show you the final product later. Like, we still have to what is this? Sealant. We still have to put, like, you know, kind of like spray it and brush it out on there. So that has to be done, and then it's gonna take a while to actually like make it.
Yeah, it's a little messed up from here because we had her bangle or
So yeah, after we're done with all of that, then we're gonna take a picture and show it to you guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe though.
Like, share, comment, and do try it. This is fun, and how amazing. It looks so nice.
I think we'll just clean this off.
Yeah.
Right?
So yeah, try it, guys. It's called Luna Bean Keepsake.
It's on Amazon for $34,
hands.
I think.
Yep, you can get it on Amazon. Alright, say bye.
Bye.
We're back.
The next day?
This is the second day.
Yeah.
So that keepsake we made, it has dried and it looks so nice.
I actually messed it up a little bit because I used a clear coat which came with the kit, but it was 2 years old, so I don't know if that made any difference. So hold this camera, let me bring it here in this light. Bam! Check this out. I mean, it's alright. We messed up. So first thing, we messed it up from here because her bangle, or what was that? Yeah.
Kada.
Her kada or bangle was in the mold, so we had to take it out. So we messed it up right here, and then I did a white clear coat. So I don't know, it looks nice or it got worse. But it's pretty nice. Look at the details. Look at my nerves and everything. I mean, it's pretty nice. And the position of her hands were like too tight. This is like the hardest position. I mean, you could if you want to try, you could do like this. It's gonna be easier. So you could do that by yourself if you want, right? So yeah, that's about it.
Yep.
You can do that with your wife, husband, girlfriend, mom, dad, parents, kids. It's such a nice memory.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep it over there in our memory thing. And yeah, that's about it. So we should just end this video, right?
Yep. So thank you guys for watching
for more
and
videos.
try it. It's really
You should
nice.
totally try it. I think it's 30 bucks from Amazon, the kit, and it's really nice.
Yeah.
Just be careful when you do it. Just read the instructions really carefully.
Yeah. Or watch this video.
Watch this video. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Like,
Thank you.
comment, share, subscribe, everything. Yes. Bye.